radiation dry run today. Here we go.
Separate.
Okay.
A treatment visit shows the doc of the day. Thank you so much, Miss. This is your doctor. She's always around, but once a patient comes to these clinics to see her patients, the only day she's here is on Mondays. Mondays she must see you. Do not leave. You have questions or concern, her nurse after my orientation will give you a tour of our lovely place.
Okay.
Go over some nurse and teacher instructions like what to expect, your medication list, schedules, and times of all your future appointments.
Okay.
So you leave with a hard copy of the schedule in your hands.
Okay, great.
And our callback numbers. So she's only here Mondays. Current wait time shows a 3 treatment machine that treats our patients. Good job.
All right.
It says you're not being checked in. It shows your time will go in 3 seconds.
Okay, perfect.
Everyone knows.
Okay, and have a seat. All right. And I'm gonna. Skin. Try to use fragrance-free products.
Okay.
I basically tell people, whatever you're using for soap and cream right now, continue to use it.
Okay.
Okay. We already know that it doesn't cause your skin to be sensitive because you use it.
Right.
Okay.
That makes sense.
So continue to do that.
Okay.
I'm going to give you some Vaseline to have on hand because at the very end of treatment, the last, I don't know, maybe week or two, your skin's going to get more dry and feel tight. It's going to feel comforting to put something with a little bit more oomph to it.
Okay.
Okay. So you'll have it on hand. But right now, continue to do what you prescription, but it's fairly mild.
Okay.
And I'm going to have you put that over the treatment field. And what you'll do is you put that on first, and then then you put your lotion on, whatever that is, whatever you're using now, and or whenever you start using that.
Okay, so it's okay to layer them.
Yeah, medicine goes on first.
And then the lotion goes on top. Okay.
Yeah. We find that when women have had mastectomies and we give them the steroid cream, it actually kind of keeps the skin a little more calm for a little longer period of time.
Okay, so like kind of proactively.
It cuts the cuts the redness.
Got it.
And it does work. I worked with the head and neck group for a while, and we would do that. People that are getting radiation here and their neck would have them put it on their neck. It definitely.
Okay.
It's not reaction free, but it really does cut down on the redness. So it really does work.
Radiation day 1. Radiation day 2. So I just finished my second radiation treatment session, and basically the process is fairly streamlined. I come in, I have free valet parking, I check in at the screening desk, then come straight to the radiation oncology department, and I have a little pink card that I scan, and basically I swipe in, I come straight on back, go ahead and change into the gown, and then I wait in the waiting room, and it's usually no more than a couple of minutes worth of a wait. they take me back to the radiation room and I lie on a table. I have to set arms over my head. They had me breathe in, hold it, breathe out several times, 5 to 15 seconds. I actually didn't feel anything. You don't feel the radiation beam. Times over about 15 minutes or so. And as I'm breathing in, that basically moves my internal organs out of the way so they can direct the beams of radiation to the targeted site. And then after that, like 15 minutes of that, the machine itself like whirs around me, kind of moves around and angles the beams of radiation from different directions. And then after all of the sites are treated, they turn off the machine, the radiation beam lights, and all the sound stop, the clicking stops, and then the regular room lights come up and come back into the room and tell me I'm done. Some creature comforts, they offer me a warm blanket while I'm lying there because the room is very cold, which I appreciate. It helps with hot flashes. And the first day I actually did not take the warm blanket because I was having so many hot flashes, but since then it's been much better. And then they also ask for your choice of music. For me, classical, jazz, gospel, and then they'll play your preferred music over the loudspeakers softly while you're getting radiation. And then I come to the changing room to change and head out. And they validate my parking, and it's basically easy in, easy out. The whole process takes about an hour, but most of the time is around kind of transitioning in, transitioning out, but the actual treatment only takes about 15-20 minutes. So that's radiation in a nutshell. It's all good. Day 2 done. Radiation number 3.
Huh? It's the Godzilla thing.
Yeah?
This thing was trending.
Was it?
Yes, Mommy, they told me it was this. It was
Sure, they sent you all the information, though. See, aren't you glad you came now? Everybody say cheese. Hey, cheese. Where's Emmanuel? Emmanuel!
Yeah. Hey. I love it. All right.
Welcome aboard, folks. Thank you.
Show on the road, I mean water. I've just got to share a quick word from our lawyers, and we like to keep things fun here, so we do sort of a call and response thing. Repeat after me. Warning! Due to the fast and death maneuvers and extreme force of the Codzilla thrill ride, you should only board if you're in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that can be aggravated on the ride. Do not board Codzilla if you suffer from medical conditions or susceptible to back injuries. And pregnant mothers should not ride Codzilla. All passengers must take the seatbelts securely fastened and hold on to the go for our agencies. Watch Codzilla motion until the motion supervised at all times. Don't forget to secure and discard personal belongings before Codzilla leaves the dock, where you may get very wet.
What?
Close enough. Everybody wave goodbye to my friends on the dock. You will never see them again.
Wait, what?
I'm just kidding. They're not my friends. Boston Harbor called it Codzilla, named this boat after it. Used to take people out and try and sneak a peek. Try and prove once and for all that the Codzilla is real. Unfortunately, the courts found that there is no such fish. I know, I was disappointed too. The only man-eating fish you'll see today is me at Legal Seafoods. And as part of our court agreement, we are now required to take you out and show you beyond a shadow of a doubt that there is no Codzilla. Who knows how to prove a negative? That's what I thought. Yeah, I bet you can divide by 0 too. So today we are going to take you out to Deer Island to show you nothing. Fear not, there will be a few exciting sights, sounds, and smells along the way. Now, I'm sure at this point you're all... like I said,
May 8th, are you there? Hey, want me to take a picture of you guys? Oh, yes, please, thank you.
Day 4 done. First week behind me. So this has been the first week down, 4 more weeks to go.